Wow, yeah. It's time to show you the Leon Natural Cruise with my friend. It's my wonderful friend from Sierra Leone. And the most wonderful part was that I was so damn busy. I, I couldn't get much, for my own self, but at least I'm able to get you to the places where we were.
Bademba no saudi. Saya sabi this place.
This is the picture galore with the children. A lot of them. Man, these kids are so wonderful. Look at this one. This one is, fixing himself in between walls. Wow. These are the acrobatic sections of the children. The children are so wonderful. So happy always, and play. So much play. Alright, we go to show you the places. See how this place is looking so greenish, so beautiful. The land is a bit like rocky, but not that rocky. I don't know how to define. I don't know the name of this land. It's so beautiful, man. It has mountains, it has rocky, it has valley areas. Wow, I really loved it. Now let's take you to another different path, man. You gotta get into the car. Oh, this is another beautiful area with a lot of red sand. I saw it's not black sand. They have a lot of red sand, have gravels and a lot of resources. That's beautiful, man. And here, so awesome. So watch these timbers, man. So beautiful and nice, so calm, so cool. Wow. This looks like a rubber plantation. Yeah. Wow. So nice.
You see, this is our own coffee. I am not the same with yours, but this is ours. Mon frère, me voici chez moi. Mon frère, hier toute la journée, je n'ai même pas sorti. C'est la pluie que tu veux voir. C'est la pluie et le vent que tu veux voir. Je n'ai pas nu pas, man. Je suis chez moi.
Look at him. That's our hunter from the city. Man, I have been imagining what you've been hunting all over the time you have been in the city. What have you been hunting? Yeah, he goes hunting. Look at his catapult. Look at all their dogs. And what did he even get? Do you even know the name of the animal he got? I wonder. Laugh in English. You took maize alone, you didn't remember me. That's not fine, it's not fine. Remember, you're still owing me my maize. use the boat, man. Running on this kind of water in the night, this ocean will get you afraid, get you stuck, man. It's time to get back to base. Oh, I'm gonna meet those my crazy dudes. Oh, meeting those my colleagues, man. These guys can be so funny. While it's all in entertainment time, they can be so crazy. But it's nice to have these guys as colleagues, man. What to do? Yeah, in the galley enjoyment time. It's good. I miss you all those time, all the years. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share and like. Thank you.